What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Chipotle corn salsa. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need sweet white corn, a poblano pepper, a jalapeno pepper, red onion, lemon, lime, cilantro, and salt. Begin by roasting the poblano pepper in the oven under the broiler on high for 12 minutes, flipping halfway through. After roasting, place the pepper in a bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and allow it to sit for 5 minutes, which will make it easier to remove the skin. After 5 minutes, remove the skin. Remove the seeds. Dice the poblano pepper. Dice a half a red onion. Dice a jalapeno. If you want your salsa to be mild, remove the seeds. Chop up some cilantro. In a bowl, combine 3 cups of sweet white corn, red onion, jalapenos, poblano peppers, and 1/4 cup of cilantro. Give it a mix. Add the juice of a half a lemon. Add the juice of a half a lime. Season the taste with salt. And there you have it, Chipotle corn salsa. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.